What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. I hope everybody out there is doing well as we close out another week. As for myself, I'm doing good, just sitting here at the desk to get a recap out of the way that I have recorded, and I'm going back and I'm gonna record it again. And I'm doing that because I actually had live recorded my trades this morning. And as I went to upload the recap, I saw that video and I was like, it would be probably better served to actually go through and review based on the live recording. Today was an interesting day. Started off the night before, and I took a trade that it's one of those green trades that you hate. I took the trade thinking I was in MNQs. I was in NQs. Could have been very bad, but it turned out to not be so bad. It ended up being a green trade, and I was like, nope, let's shut it down. We done. Morning session comes around. I get in the market. So I have a very nice cushion. I have a very nice cushion for this PA account that we trade. And looking at the chart, I was like, man, what the heck was you thinking taking these trades? Because they were red. But then I went back and I looked at the video and I was like, even more. Like, dude, what was you thinking? So let's go ahead. Let's look at the numbers real quick, and then we'll look at the charts, and then we'll look at the video. So we're reviewing trades for January 26th. It's showing that we're red on the day, but technically we aren't red. But if you base it on the calendar day, the 26th, we are red, because the trade that I took the night before, it falls under the 26th, but it's not represented that way in NinjaTrader. But gross P&L 154, we gave back 265.50. That left a net profit of 111.50 in the red. Percent profitable, this is horrible, y'all. 29%. Average losing or average winning trade $30.80. Average losing trade 22.13. That's not bad. It's over 1%. They're calling it 1.39 RR. So that's not bad. Largest winning trade 60, largest losing trade 36. Again, that's not bad. That's 2-to-1 on our money. This is where we fell off the rails at. Say we took 17 trades, 5 of them red or 5 of them green, 12 red. Didn't necessarily take, or technically, I guess we did take that many trades, but let's say I go in to a position with 3 contracts. That's going to be considered one trade for me. I just hit the button 3 times because I want to have the flexibility to get out of each of those contracts individually. So I have to buy them individually. I can't just buy 3 of them, because if I buy 3, I have to sell 3. But if I buy 1, 1, and 1, now I can manage those individually. That's one trade for me. NinjaTrader is going to look at that as 3 trades. So that's why you always see this number might be kind of high. Same thing. Like, let's say I want 5 contracts. I might click the buy button 5 times. That's one trade for me. NinjaTrader is going to look at it as 5 individual trades. But that's what we did today. Let's look overall, though, real quick on this PA account. This particular account is a what Apex call a performance account. With the performance account, you can get paid on those, y'all. So I've been in that account 6 days. So let's count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've been in there since the 18th or 19th. I'm gonna click on the 18th though, just so we go back one more day just to make sure. And these the numbers I wanted to see right here, y'all. So gross profit, $3,179. We gave back $1,037.50. Net profit, $2141.50. This is real money trading in or trading for a prop firm. That's real money, y'all. With a $25,000 account, you have to make $1,600 to request a payout. In any of the accounts, you have to trade a minimum of 10 days. So we got 6 days in the books right now. Got 4 more days to go. You can request a payout between the 1st and the 5th. So here on out, it is capital preservation. Don't want to risk more than $25 per day. That's why that trade yesterday, trading in Q, could have been detrimental. It worked out. We finished that trade out green, but I was only needing to be risking $25. That's 1 point with NQ. I was in 2 contracts. So that could have been crucial. Let's look and see what we're trading at, though. Overall in the account, we're trading at 68%. That's good. I like that. 68%. Average winning trade, 27.64. Average losing trade, 19.58. That has us at a 1.41 ratio. Not bad. Largest winning trade, 315. Largest losing trade, 95. That is not bad as well. So overall in this account, we are doing good. We're doing what we need to do. I gotta get the boneheaded errors worked out, y'all. That's always seems to be what gets me, at not paying attention to detail. But let's go ahead. Let's bring up the charts real quick. We'll look and see what the market did on the 5-minute chart, and then we'll bring up the video. So we'll go ahead, pull up the 5, back this out. It's about right there. And this is what the chart looked like for the day. This is not a good looking chart, y'all. This is not a good looking chart for me personally. Some people might like this, but me, you don't really have a 5-minute trend at all today. At all. You get lower low, lower high, lower low, break structure. Tanks back out, get a lower low, lower high, lower low, break structure, rips back up. Higher low, or I'm sorry. So you get this higher high right here. You get a higher low, then you get a lower high, lower low, break structure, tank out. See what I mean? It's just, it's no structure. So you come here and you set a low, you come back up, you kind of set a even or slightly higher low, higher high, whammo. It's like the rug just continuously got pulled from up under it. So you got a higher high, you got a slightly lower high, you get a higher low from here, then you come up, you get a higher high from here, rug pull. So there was like no structure at all to what the market was doing today. Let's go ahead. Let's close these out. What I want to look at real quick on the actual charts is this last trade that I took, and then we'll look on the video for the first trade that we took, and then we're gonna get up out of here. Twice today, closing the morning out or closing the day out and starting the morning. I totally went against some of the things that I had kind of written out for taking a supply or demand trade. First and foremost, I want to check and see what kind of trend we're in. Very easy for me to do that on my charts based on the color of the chart. If the fast moving average gets below the slow moving average, that's what flips my charts red. I want to be looking for shorts. If the chart is red, and I'm usually looking at 7 different time frames. If I'm an intraday something, I want at least 5 or 4 of the 7 to be in confluence. So if we start with a 1-minute chart right now, when I took this trade, 1 minute was red, 2 minutes red, 5 minutes red, 15 is red. What should I be looking for, y'all? I should be looking for a short. And that's if I don't pay attention to nothing else. If I don't pay attention to nothing else, I should be looking for a short just because all of my charts are red. But now you throw into that, we're below the 100 SMA. If I bring this up, we're below VWAP. Two other things that I kind of look for that I don't need to be looking for longs. But what do, y'all? I long my way all the way out of this market, all the way back out. And that's why you saw that negative number. Only thing on this chart that would suggest any idea to try to go long is this demand. This was a demand area that quickly got broken after I was in the trade. So horrible trade. I look at this chart and it's amazing that you can look at a chart after you've been in a trade or after you've taken that trade and you see every reason not to. Let's look at this 1 minute chart, y'all. We just talked about trends on the 5 minute. So if you came here, this went up, boom, you get an even low. Higher low, higher high, or I'm sorry, higher or even low, and you get a higher high from here, higher low from here, higher high. You need to wait on the higher low. I'm entering as this trend is failing to establish. Watch this. I swear, y'all, you come back and you look at these charts and you like, dude, what are you thinking? That's the trend, right? That's the trend. I'll copy, I'll paste that, I'll drop it up there. That's the channel right there, right? That's the channel. When this breaks, that right there should have been it. I should have been out of that. Done. That didn't work. Let's call it a day. Whatever you just lost in this little move right there. But all of these trades, stupidity. Stupido. Why are you doing that? So that's how we close the day out. Just on a horrible trade. But let's go ahead. Let us pull up the video for this morning. And let's look at these trades we took this morning because, like I said, we started the morning off just as bad as we closed it out. One thing that you notice, we are green on the morning. Remember I said, like, we had got us a nice cushion. I was up 175 this morning. So very nice. I'm gonna speed this on up. And then I'm gonna speed it up this way as well. Okay, there we go. So let me back it out just a little bit and we can look and see where we're at. One thing that I did want to say, and I'm going to pause this real quick. I'm going to pause it. We're going to go back to the charts real quick. Just so you can see it on the charts. And then once the video starts, we'll look at it. And we're going to look at this right here on the 2 minute chart. So just kind of bear with me. So these were our trades that we took this morning, and we're going to see those on the video. But one thing I wanted to bring out real quick, just looking at this chart, we see some moving averages. We see VWAP, broken gold. We see the red, that's the 100 SMA, or 200 SMA, I'm sorry. Solid red, 100 SMA, broken black, 50 EMA. We're trapped in between those levels coming into the morning, trapped in between them. This is the low of that area. Market opens. I took a short right there at the low. This thing came up, stops me out. I just want to give you that picture before we even look at it. So now let's go back to the video. And I probably should have did that the opposite way. We should have looked at the video, and then I could have broke that down why those were bad trades. But market's open. Or is it? Not yet. Not yet. This, like I said, these candles here is the 928 candle. I don't know why Ninja Trader does that. So we got 10 seconds before the market opens. But here, look at those levels again. So watch this. This comes down. If anything, I should be looking to go long right here because we're going to catch support. I go short. Right there and I get clapped. Like, that's that hindsight. So gave back 30 bucks off the top. Then I go long. Again, we're up near the top of that little range that is trading, but we're up a couple of bucks. What I like to find kind of interesting is usually when you come back and you review your trades, it's like a lot of times, especially on bad trades, you can clearly see like why it didn't work. It's like, why did I take that trade? This one here, I am going to get my stop to break even. Stop out, and then I jump right back in. Like, dude, you did that for a reason. Like, you kind of knew that that wasn't going to work. Why jump right back in? Why not let it kind of reset? Because that wasn't very bright. But look right above us. We got the 50 EMA. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that 50 EMA for me is a very, very respectable moving average. So why would I go long right into that? Why would I do that? Just to lose some money, y'all. That's why I did it. So another red trade at 175, then got chomped down to 96. Just giving back money. It's making no sense. The market comes back down. We're at the bottom of the range again. Do have this demand that had just formed. Very fresh demand. You got demand over here. I go long off of it. Just, dude, what are you thinking? Let's see if it's going to hold. Look where it comes right to the edge of it. It's trying to hold. Nope, we're going to take your money again. We done went from 175 to 49 in less than 5 minutes, y'all. And on that note, I was done. You see, I shut OBS down. I didn't just do that. That was me like, this is some foolishness. I am done. Yeah, that's what that was. But just bad. Started the morning off bad. Actually, started the night off before bad because we're up 175 on a snafu. But then we turn right back around and give it up. Turn right back around, give it up. We do take some trades a little later on in the day. I got the account up to 199. We were up 199 10 minutes before the market closed. And then I took that trade at the market end and gave back. And I want to say I finished the day up like $75, y'all. So just poor trading. It was a poor trading Friday. They always say once you get green on a Friday, don't go back in the market. Don't do it. And I did it. On that note, we're going to go ahead. We're going to wrap this one up. As always, thanks for checking me out. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. There's a gentleman made a comment a couple of days ago on one of my videos, told me I'm doing a disservice to new traders. Maybe right, maybe wrong. One of the things that he did mention in the comment was talking about concepts. And it made me go and look the definition of concepts up. And concepts are individuals' ideas. Individuals. So your concept is going to be different than my concept. So if it's my concept, it's my concept. And it was dealing with support and resistance, supply and demand. I said I was going to speak on it in this video. I'm actually do a whole separate video just on that. Just kind of talking about supply and demand, talking about support and resistance. Some people use those interchangeably. Is it wrong to do that? I don't think so. I don't think so, but we'll talk about it. We'll make a video on that. On that note, I'm gonna wrap this one up so I can get it posted. We'll be back at it again next week. Peace.